An unlikely star on TikTok at 81 years young. Watch.
Well, good morning, my fellow TikTokers. The word for today is thankful. Be thankful for what you got. And have a banana.
His joy just comes to the screen, and I'm so happy he's joining me live. Stephen Austin, who he's dubbed himself Old Man Steve. I'm calling you Stephen Austin. You're not an old man. You are such a sensation here on TikTok, 500,000 followers. I'm embarrassed to admit I don't even know how to learn how to do TikTok. How did you?
Well, I just learned by doing it. It's not really that hard, and as you go along, you're going to learn more. A couple of things I didn't understand, so I would just Google, and you'd be surprised what you can find, and that helped me out. And so I really had no one to tell me. I just did it.
I mean, it's so surprising because they're so simple. You know, everyone does a dance or something like that. You're just making a sandwich in this one. I mean, it's G-rated content. Why do you think so many people are just taken by you?
Well, apparently a lot. I can't believe. First of all, there's a lot of young people on TikTok, and they do a lot of physical stuff, dancing around and gymnastics and that sort of thing. And because I'm 81 years old, I just can't do that. And so I started out making a sandwich, and I videoed it and put it on TikTok, and everybody seemed to like it. So I started doing Cooking with Steve. I don't have kids or grandkids, and the young people that watch me, in the comments, they tell me they want me to be their grandpa, or that I remind them of their grandpa, or they call me their internet grandpa. And that makes me feel good.